Hi everyone, my name is Lukina and I'm excited to take you on a tour of our main office located in the Pleasure Point community of Santa Cruz. This is the first stop on our tour of all of our David Lyng offices. We love this office location because it's walking distance to restaurants, shops, and of course East Cliff Drive and famous surf spots like the Hook and the Point. It's a large building with 20,000 square feet and includes private office space, conference rooms, a larger meeting room, and plenty of parking. The majority of our staff are based out of this office, so our agents enjoy being able to meet with our marketing team, our transaction coordinators, and of course our management in person. We feel it's important to have local office locations and staff to support our agents and clients as we feel really strongly about customer service. This allows for collaboration, networking, and team building. We value being visible in the communities we serve, and we take pride in all of our office facilities. We look forward to showcasing our other offices, so be sure to check back to watch those videos as well.